Hi everyone, welcome to Fire TV Hunter RJ. I'm Deborah, and today we're installing Jet Proxy on Kodi, the must-have add-on for secure proxy streaming and bypassing restrictions. It's perfect for Fire Stick users, but always pair with a VPN like Surfshark for privacy. Let's get it done in under a minute. Remember, use only legal sources. First, enable unknown sources. Settings. System. Add-ons. Toggle unknown sources on. Step 1. Go to File Manager. Add source. Enter https://mrgsi.github.io/gsource. Name it gsource. OK. Step 2. Back to add-ons. Install from zip. Select gsource. Install the repository zip, like gsource.zip. Step 3. Now, install from repository, gsource repo, video add-ons, Jet Proxy, install, wait for the notification. Step 4. Launch from add-ons. Configure your proxy settings, and you're streaming. Pro tip: update regularly for security. Jet Proxy is installed and ready. Like if this was helpful, subscribe for more Kodi guides and comment your setup tips below.